Hey up, what's going on, people? Back here again, mate. Alright, today we've got a DJI Mini SE, so unbox for you. Have a little look at that and go through it. Sweet, in a bit. So, DJI Mini SE, head to the Mini 2, which obviously you see my last one, which I've got here, and they are the Mini 2. Right, anyway, unboxing. That's it, basic SE. Let's get him out. Exactly the same. Mini 2, Mini SE, exactly the same. I just put the Mini 2 shell on the SE. Only difference is 2.7 to the 4K camera on the Mini 2. And get the controller up. Now this is the one what I said about. Controller for that, look. Obviously I've never opened one of these before, so let's have a look. Oh, it just comes out like that. Handles. So in this one, on the SE, your control, your phone, sorry, actually sits in there on the bottom, not on the top. Obviously, as you've seen, Mini 2, Mini SE. Phone on the top here, phone on the bottom. So, whatever you prefer, really. I prefer it on the top. Your two antennas, your signal, and your controls to start the Mini 2. Pop out here. That one, and as like the other one, screw in into these. Got return to home button, the SE. You've got power on, and on the back your gimbal as usual, and take picture, record video. As I forgot to say, on the Mini 2 one, you actually press that one so you can change between video and picture. There you go. But apart from that, it is literally the Mini 2, got a little bit more speed on, which is about that, and the height wise, which is that. So yeah, that is literally basic thing. I'm not going to unwrap that again because it is identical to the Mini 2. Apart from actually, this one's got the propeller protection, and that is just like that. Still with the camera guard, etc. Same folding out, same expansion. Yeah, we'll have a little bit more of a look into it later on. Sweet as, in a bit. Oosh.